Hello guys, good morning! May panibago na naman pa akong vlogs for this morning. Please watch this. Ang iko-content ko po ngayong umaga ay yung ulam ko na may sabaw at saka kamuting dahon nga may sardinas. Ayan. Sarap na sarap yung itsura ng aking ulam for today. Ito yung kanin natin. Ito kadami yung kinakain ko kasi palakain talaga ako ng kanin. Kasi paborito kong ganitong tsura ng kanin kasi mabango at saka maputi. Walang itim-itim. Ayan. Please don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel and my video vlogs and also my page account on my social media. Thank you so much for always support my video vlogs and thank you sa lahat ng sumusubaybay ng aking mga vlogs every day. Ayan. Have a blessed Friday to all of you. And God bless. Ayan. Diba sarap? Tsura pa lang. Tara guys, kain tayo. At hanggang dito na lang po muna yung aking video vlogs. Thank you for watching. Bye.